How to fix Discord stuck on checking for updates. I am going to show you how you can fix Discord stuck on checking for updates. Fixes for Discord checking for updates loop by restarting the computer or router. Run Discord or the update file as administrator. Turn off Windows Defender antivirus. Disable the proxy server and delete the Discord app data. Rename the Discord update file and reinstall the Discord app. If you have a Windows PC, navigate to the Windows button, power button, and restart. Once your PC gets a clean restart, all the program and network issues you may have had will disappear. If you are on a Mac, navigate to the Apple menu and restart. Just turn off and disconnect the router. Let it stay like that for a while and then reconnect. Make sure the app is closed properly and end it in Task Manager if necessary. Find the Discord app and right-click on it. A drop menu will appear. Select the Run as Administrator option. A UAC prompt will appear on the screen immediately. Be sure to click Yes. Discord with admin privilege will be launched immediately, and it will undergo an update if everything goes smoothly. If this doesn't work, you may also launch the Discord update file as admin. Press the Windows plus R keys, then type %local app data % in the run box. Locate the Discord folder and find the update.exe file. Right-click on it and choose Run as administrator. Navigate to Update and Security from the Windows settings. Select Windows Security and click on Virus and Threat Protection. Windows Security is your home to view and manage the security and health of your device. Open Windows Security Protection Areas, Virus and Threat Protection, no sections needed. Then scroll down and select Manage. From this panel, you will be able to disable Windows Defender by turning off the Real-Time Protection option. If you have installed any third-party antivirus program on your computer, things are much easier. Just right-click on it in the taskbar and select Disable. Press the Windows R keys on your keyboard and bring up the Run dialog box. Type initapl.cpl to open Internet Properties. Click on the Connections tab and navigate to LAN settings. Here, uncheck the option, Use a proxy, server for your plan, server for your LAN. Click OK and then Apply Devices. If your computer has stored too many cache files, they can hinder the performance of Discord, thus causing it to stuck in an update loop. Press the Windows plus R keys and bring up the Run dialog box. Type %appdata% and hit Enter. Type the name of program, folder, document, or internet resource and Windows will open it for you. In the roaming folder, locate the Discord subfolder and delete it. Now reboot the computer. Discord should get updated smoothly after deleting the cache file. Make sure Discord is closed. Use Task Manager if necessary. Press the Windows plus R keys. Type %local app data % and hit Enter. Open the Discord folder and rename update.exe to updatex.exe. Reboot your computer and launch Discord. Discord will download a new updated file and start installing it. In the control panel, click on Uninstall a program under Programs. Right-click on the Discord app and select Uninstall. It will be removed immediately. Control panel Home. Now again, type %local app data % in the Run dialog box. Locate the Discord subfolder and delete.